page numbers. When you are in the Word system that is on your computer, insert will be up here. So click insert, then click page numbers all the way to the just left of center, top of page, plain number 3, then type your last name and hit space one time. Make sure your last name is spelled correctly. Then highlight your name and the number as well, because you want them both to be in 12-point Times New Roman font to match the rest of the essay. The whole essay should be in 12-point Times New Roman. Now I'm going to show you that again using online Office 365 Word software. It just looks a little bit different, but still I'm going to go to Insert and then Page Numbers, not header or footer, Page Numbers, and then top right. And see, it's got the little hashtag thing. That means number. So all you have to do is type your last name, put a space, hit the space bar one time, then highlight all that. Okay, and then you get this pop up here, or you can go back to Home and fix the font there with everything still highlighted over here. You want the font to be Times New Roman and size 12 point to match the rest of the essay. Now your page numbers will fill in automatically, so just trust that that will happen. I'm going to click the body to get out of that, and then it goes away, which scares students sometimes. But if I click on header here, you'll be able to see I still have a last name. Now it doesn't show me what page it is though, so that can make me nervous. When I hit File and I hit Save As, download a copy, make sure you download as a Word document. If you're using a Mac, however, save yours as a PDF. Check your font after you download. Make sure all of the spacing and everything and the indentations happen correctly. So you see now that I have downloaded, I have my last name and page number there. Okay, and it went all the way through. What I do not have is a heading, so I need to go back and make sure I put in a heading that is follows the standards for MLA format. I am going to make my font standard black for my heading. And then I'm going to have my name, and then my instructor's name, and then I'm going to have the class, whatever your class is, and then I'm going to have the date that the essay is due. So let's say that's today. All right. Then hit enter only one time. You should center a title, find the centering text alignment, and center. Oh, this alignment is not good. I need to make sure that my alignment is better than that. I don't want this kind of alignment. I see that this is all over here lined up. I do not want that. To fix everything, spacing and font and everything, if you have an issue in your essay, hit Control, hold down Control and hit A. It will highlight everything for you. And then you can go back. It looks like that is the only paragraph where the alignment is messed up. Let's see, let's click left align again. All right, so that's good, that's better. My works cited, it left aligned my works cited title. So I just click there, go back to alignment and hit center just for the title. And speaking of titles, I was about to write a title. Oh, this looks like it's all bold. I don't want that. So click center and have a creative original title. So you should have a great title that intrigues your reader. It should not be in bold. It should not be in italics. It should not be in quotation marks. It should not be bigger than the rest of the stuff in the essay. No big font anywhere. I should not have an extra line space. Students tend to want to do that. I think it looks good to have an extra line space, but it also is wrong. So we have to follow MLA format rules. So that gets my heading, name, professor's name, instructor's name, then your class and your date written in MLA format, title centered, and no special font for your title. So that is it. Let's make sure this one has its last name and page numbers, has the title nicely centered, all good. If you have any questions, let me know.